Hi, I'm Justin Ball with the Shower Head store, and I am the Shower Head guy. Thanks for joining me today. Just going to do a quick demo of the Moen Magnetix Shower Head. This is a 6-setting handheld shower head, and also have the little wall mount attachment that we did in another video that I'll link to below if you are interested in this accessory, which is not included. But just getting down to details, shower head, again, Magnetix, uses a magnetic docking system, so you got soap in the eyes, oh, boom, you can dock it safely and, you know, figure out how to get that soap out of your face, right? Hose, so 5-foot long hose. It's, you know, it's all right. It's, again, this is about innovation, not about superior quality. Let's run some water through it. So yeah, pretty good pressure on the wide spray setting here. Let's click it over to the left. Kind of uses some of the inner nozzles. Then you got a more concentrated one. And then come back over to the other side. It's got like this pulsating one. I don't know if you could see it that well. It's not, you'll see it. This is basically what it's trying to do, but it doesn't have enough pressure to kick it out. And then this one's a little bit more concentrated. This one's a little bit more gentle. So there you go. You got your 6 spray settings. Honestly, probably going to use this one the whole time because it's the most fulfilling, highest pressure, widest coverage spray. Or this one. That's pretty much it. But hey, you know, 6 sounds better than 2, right? So, and then again, they got this cool little wall mount thing that we put on. Not that we're going to leave this on, but for demonstration purposes, if you have a little one, they want to be able to reach the handheld shower head. If it helps them rinse their hair more, why not? So there you go. You got the Moen Magnetix Shower Head. This is in chrome. It's available in brushed nickel, bronze, etc. Links down below on where you can get it. And please hit like, hit subscribe. Going to be dishing out way more content. Really appreciate you joining me. This is Justin Ball signing out, the Shower Head guy.